Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make chilli egg fry. In a blender, add 20 small onions, 6 garlic cloves, a small piece of tamarind, 1½ tablespoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Coarse grind this and keep aside. Break 6 eggs into a mixing bowl and add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and a little salt. Beat the eggs and keep aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and add the beaten eggs. Now scramble the eggs. When it's done, take it out and keep aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in the same pan over medium flame and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, add 2 red chillies and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute this for a few seconds and add the masala mix. Saute this till the raw smell goes off. Now add 1 cup of water and a little salt. Stir well. When it starts boiling, add the scrambled eggs. Stir continuously and cook for 2 minutes. Now add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Stir well. Now it is ready, turn off the flame. This goes well with plain rice, chapati or dosa. Please try it out and post your feedback.